Hey everybody, this is Stan Share.
And El Patron, what's up, guys?
We are excited to share with you on May 9th, we are speaking at the Automotive Cigar Buffet event. Basically, myself, Mr. El Patron.
That's right.
We're going to be speaking along with Mr. Ralph Paglia and Dale Childress Jr., the master closer. And we're pretty much excited about the fact that we're going to be sharing with dealers like yourselves more about automotive strategies. We're going to be talking about Mr. El Patron and how he came up in the business and some of his top secrets, what makes him as great as he is. Did over 300 cars last month at Brooklyn Mitsubishi.
356, guys.
356 to be exact. I'll be speaking about how to e-commerceize your business. I'm going to condense a 5-day training session into a 45-minute presentation to give you all of the most important nuggets that you need in terms of how to e-commerceize your dealership.
And basically, guys, we're going to be talking about social media, right? The next boom in the car business. You want to be there. You want to make sure you know exactly what's going on and what's happening, what's the new stuff that came out of NADA. So we're going to be sharing that with you guys. So we hope to see you guys there. All right, looking forward. You guys can look us up on Facebook, saying share e-training, correct?
Dealer training.
ElPatronshow.com or El Patron on Facebook or Instagram as well. So hope to see you guys there. Right, Stan?
Now, keep in mind, we also are excited. We have people like Paul Sansone Jr. coming. He's got not only a dealership, but also a really cool app that he's developed that he's out selling to dealers. We also have...
Bobby will be there. Brooklyn
Bobby's coming
Mitsubishi.
there,
Yes.
from what I understand. We have,
Correct.
We have my very good friend...
Rich will be very happy, by the way, to see Bobby, just so you know.
Yeah, he knows
Rich will
him?
be very happy, yes.
Okay.
To bring Bobby.
Eric Nichols is coming from Apple Honda. I personally trained Eric about 6 years ago. Helped him
Hey,
build
Rick,
his
shout out,
agency.
kid.
So yeah, we got a lot of great people coming, and it looks like this event is getting bigger and bigger. So we're excited to see you guys there. Like I said, follow us, follow myself, follow El Patron. We're all over social media, and reach out to us. We'll get you a free ticket to visit this event.
There is a limited seating, guys, so please reach out right away. All right, so it's a limited time, so we hope to see you guys May 9th, correct?
Correct.